So here we have the front of the home. This is the exterior, and as you see, it is almost all brick, almost. And right at the top you have like partial siding, and then from the top to the bottom is brick. You have pillars in the front. I'm gonna walk around to the side, try to get you guys the full view of the outside. This home sits on almost a whole acre of land, as you see, all the way to these trees right there. We do have a fenced-in backyard, and yes, the driveway is actually that long and some. So let's go ahead and walk on around. Now those ceilings, as you see, they are very high from the outside. Yes, they are just that high on the inside. Windows, yeah, some nice bushes, trees. It's your garage. We're gonna tour the backyard as we walk through the home. There go your driveway. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. And there is a lot that sits right here in the middle between this home and the one next to it. No one will be building there. That is the access to the pond that is located in the back of the home. So here, of course, we ask people to, you know, take precautions, shoe covers, you know, things like that. Boom, walk in, and this is the view you get. So let's start with this area first. Off to the right, you have the kitchen, dining table area. Also another eating area as you walk through the kitchen. Get to the ceilings. I want to say that's an inch thick granite countertop. Your backsplash. Up-to-date appliances. And I'll leave my email address down below if you like this home. They want to reach out to me. Alright, so here you have a pantry. This is your laundry room. Pantry area. Store a lot of goodies in there. Alright. This is your backyard. Well, your back door that leads to the backyard. Window. Check out the view. Check out the view. As you see, the water is, help you out. Oh, there we go. Right over there. Alright. Covered patio that is extended. Now the full patio is not covered, but halfway. And they did extend it. This is your backyard. And right now it's a gloomy day, but imagine the sun out, the weather is nice and warm, and this is your view. A very huge pond. Yes, there are some trees right here. Those are actually put there for privacy. When your lights are on at night, your neighbors across the pond won't see directly into your home. Can we get back of the home? All right, this when you come back in, nice view, and you also have a bar area. So if you don't want to sit at the table and eat, from the bar area. This is your laundry room, pretty spacious. Come in, boom, take a turn, there go your garage in there. And you have a spot to hang your coats and everything up. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. Now, I don't mean to rush this video. It's gonna seem a little bit like I move fast, and that's just because the phone I'm filming on is getting, low. So I'm gonna try to make this one a little bit faster than usual. But, if you want to see a second tour of this property, let me know. Before we go upstairs, check out the high ceilings. I did say it had high ceilings, and I mean that. Cool. All right, check out this fireplace. Check out this fireplace. As you see, we have the sign that says "Try me," and watch this. With the flip of a switch, I'm gonna try to get it all in there. Check it out. Is that not amazing or what? And then with a flip of a switch, it's back out. Just like that. Now, coming this home two ways. You have that spot, where you come into that area. That's your upstairs. Oh, I almost forgot the master bedroom. Master bedroom. Yep. Nice ceilings. You don't have that typical flat ceiling. Is what they call that, vaulted. Something similar to that. This is your closet. You walk in. Bathroom for the master. His and her sink. Shower. Toilet, ducked off, and your tub. I have had people who said that they like the toilet in a separate area. So that we do have separate area. Now this is your half bath. Check it out. Check out that sink, backsplash mirror. Nice. Let's check out that lighting. All right, gotta see that. Make sure everything's up to date. This is another storage area that is under the stairs. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. All right. Now these stairs here, as you see, are in great condition. Check out the rails. All are in great condition. I took a look at a home. I was in this neighborhood, and the stairs, the rails are all just rough. No finish was left on them, down to the bare wood. All right, so up here we have 3 bedrooms and another room that can be of your choice. This is the spare, not a bedroom, but maybe like an office or study area. So you come around, you see a couple of things over there. Ceiling here. Great. And now this is one of your bedrooms. Nice, spacious. Your closet. Actually, does have a walk-in closet. Alright. This is a fish tank here. Now, this doesn't come to home, but we're gonna say what's up to that fella. How's it going, buddy? Cool. He don't want to be bothered. He's not much of a talker. Alright, so here you have the bathroom area. Now this bathroom here is a little bit different than normal. It has a few doors on it. So you got 1 door, 2 door, 3 door, 4 door. So 2 doors access it from this side, and then also you can access it from the bedroom. It's different. What I would probably do is